Welcome to Kentlands Mansion. My name's Kristy King and I'm the Community Facility Manager of the elegant Kentlands Mansion. Today we're going to go over the who, what, where for having your wedding. So who would you invite? Let's make a guest list so that we know how many people you're wanting to invite to your special day. When? Do you have a time of year that you really like? Is there a season or perhaps you have a dating anniversary that's important to you? So where would you want it to be? In your hometown? And there's also a destination location could be considered. Now that you've gone through all of the details, make an appointment to come see Kentlands Mansion. We could be the perfect venue for you.